Hey travelers, if you have a US job and want to work abroad, it's crucial to understand the rules. It's not as simple as just taking your laptop and working from anywhere. I'll share the important details that are often overlooked and not discussed so you can be prepared and avoid losing your job or running into trouble. Number one, the first thing you should know is to talk with your employer. Before working remotely from another country, discuss your plans with your employer. Working abroad without informing your employer can lead to job loss and legal issues. Companies must follow specific employment and tax regulations based on your location, and these can impact your job and your employer's obligations. Some companies have flexible remote working policies, others are more stringent and require you to work in a specific area or even state. Number two, you should understand the visa requirements. Many countries don't permit remote work without a specific visa or work permit. It's important to know most tourist visas do not allow you to work even if you're employed by a company based outside the host country. Working on a tourist visa is generally illegal and can result in deportation or other legal issues. Since Estonia introduced the first digital nomad visa in 2020, many countries now offer their own digital nomad visas. It's wise to do your due diligence and research visa requirements carefully to ensure you're working legally. Number three, consider tax implications. Working from another country or jurisdiction can have tax implications. Depending on how long you stay, you may be subject to taxes in both your home country and host country. Consult with a tax expert familiar with international tax laws to understand your obligations. Number four, be aware of security concerns. If your job involves sensitive information or government contracts, working abroad could pose security risks. Some companies have strict policies about taking equipment like laptops overseas. Make sure you are compliant with your company's security protocols. Number five, time zones and communication. Working across different time zones can affect communication with your employer and your colleagues. Make sure you discuss your availability and work hours to avoid misunderstandings. Number six, health insurance. Check if your current health insurance covers you abroad. Some digital nomad visas require health insurance, so ensure you have adequate coverage while working remotely. All right, travelers, we covered 6 different factors you need to consider before working abroad so you can do so legally and effectively. If this video was helpful, be sure to share with 2 or 3 of your friends and subscribe. Let me know in the comment section below if this video was helpful and future ideas you would like to see right here on Hey Miss Traveler. And until next time, travelers, let's travel with our dreams together. See you later. Bye-bye.